Hello! Katatapos lang natin magsumba, guys. Grabe yung pawis ni Lina. Ang pawis mo, Lina. Very good yan every morning. 3 times a week. Okay yan. Para healthy your body. Good morning. Healthy your body and then exercise every morning. Yes. Very good yan. Katatapos lang mag-exercise. Grabe yan. Pawis. Okay. It's a very good, healthy. Okay yan. Okay yan. Okay. Okay, katatapos lang mag-exercise. Hi. Good morning. Time is 9:18. 9:18 in the morning. Exercise in 2 hours. 2 hours, 2 hours eh. No, 1 hour and 1/2.